Hi everyone, welcome back to Small Engineer Tutorial. Today we have this two Gardenline Hedge Trimmer. Today we're going to fix this green Gardenline and I'll show you how to tune the carburetor, and let's get started. This green Gardenline, it's a 26cc built on 2017. Possibly the engine number would be 1A34F. The problem with this one, it starts but it doesn't revs. So I'll show you how to tune this particular carburetor. When the engine starts and doesn't revs, you can get around by adjusting the carburetor with this high mixer screw and one on the low mixer screw here. But this time I'll only adjust the high mixer screw and the idle screw. To start the engine, set it to choke and crank the engine. Once it starts, set to half choke and crank it again. Once it's running, fully open the choke and try to press the revs and adjust the mixer screw. You try adjusting with the counterclockwise. When it bugs down, rotate on the other direction clockwise. Keep pressing the revs and keep rotating the mixer screw until you find the sweet point. The sweet point is where the very high revs, which doesn't back down. So when you pass the sweet point, the engine starts to back down again. So you have to rotate counterclockwise. Then release the throttle and adjust the idle screw to bring the engine to the minimum idle. So keep checking, check the revs so to make sure that the engine responds quickly. So it's very straightforward to adjust the carburetor right. If you think that helps you in somehow or save you money, please don't forget to like, share, and we'll do more videos like this in the future. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.